Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of a new launch plot project by Sugi named as Verandas, located in a very prime location of Karjat. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. From inside here you go to the actual land parcel. But in this video we are going to be discussing the following points in details, which includes project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also give you an introduction of what Housey actually is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, so right now I'm standing at the road and both the side of the road is the part of the land parcel. So this side and that side. And this entire project will be constructed on a land parcel of 6 acres having 51 plots in it. Talking about connectivity, as you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. This is the road from which you enter the project. This side will lead you to the Panvel highway and this side will lead you to the station. So talking about the exact connectivity, so we have Karjat station at a distance of 7 minutes. We have D-Mart at a distance of 12 minutes. We have Salt restaurant and Oleander's farm at a distance of again 7 minutes. And we have ND studio at a distance of 12 minutes. Now coming to the amenities part, this project has 17 plus world-class amenities, out of which 1 acre of land parcel is dedicated specially for amenities, which includes 25,000 square feet of clubhouse. They have dedicated 29,000 square feet of space for just green place for you to enjoy. We have swimming pool, kids play area, jogging track, yoga meditation zone and many more. You name it, we have it. Before moving ahead, I have a question to ask you. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyers series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you've booked a home, given a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any construction or leakage related issue, so what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these basic things in very simple and easy to understand language. So next time before booking your home, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Talking about plot size, this project has different dimensions, that is different sizes of plot size starting from 2000 square feet. We also have 3057 square feet and we also have 4176 square feet and many more dimensions available. You can choose according to your requirement. Now coming to the booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also show you the actual plot. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the EOI amount. The EOI amount for this is going to be 99,000 rupees. They also have a payment plan of 2020-2020-2020. So everyone, this was the teaser of Sugi new launch project Verandas located in Karjat. To get more information about this amazing plot project, you need to download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.